You know why BombBomb is so awesome? It was designed for one-to-one video communication. Here's some ideas of some personalized messages that you could be sending to your database.
Happy birthday! Who doesn't like getting a birthday message? Well, instead of posting on somebody's social media wall, send them a personalized video birthday message through BombBomb.
Transactional updates. Think about it. Traditionally, you're sending an email, maybe a paragraph, maybe 2 paragraphs, maybe more. Who wants to read that? When you can actually explain it from your mouth, you can show tonality, you can more articulate what it is that traditionally they would read through a video message.
We all love to celebrate the holidays, so this is a great opportunity to send those in your database holiday wishes. Make sure to customize it based on the holidays that they personally celebrate.
What about a home anniversary? There's no better time to touch your customers a year out, 2 years out from when you did business with them by wishing them a happy home anniversary.
Keep an eye on social media, and when your friends and family say something they're proud of, make sure to reach out and congratulate them through a video email message. They'll remember it for months to come.
Or what about random check-ins? Think about it. 2020 was the year of the pandemic. How many of you reached out to your customers, your database, just to see how they were doing? Imagine taking that personalization one step further by shooting a video to them to where once again, you can show that inflection of the emotion of how much you care for them. That's how you get remembered.
Those are just a few of the ways that you can be using BombBomb to stay in touch with your database and grow your business. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to go ahead and get signed up today.